Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I will show you or walk you through how to use Zotero to add MLA-style citations in Microsoft Word step by step. So if you're writing a school paper or a research project, this will save you time and stress. So here we have our document that I want us to cite. So let's say, for example, you're working on research paper and you find out that the journal have told you to cite your paper using MLA style or yes, using the MLA style. So what I want us to do is we will use Zotero to make sure our work is easier. And there is many videos that I've done on Zotero. So if you're looking ahead to learn more about Zotero, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can go and follow up. And that one will prompt me to make more videos on Microsoft Word. So here I have my Zotero already integrated. So what I will do if I want to cite this first document, let's say for example this one, I'll just copy it, go to my browser, then I'll copy my browser, that name, put it there. Then I'll I'll customize the range, make sure your journal or the books that you're going to cite are 5 years old or are in that range, then click search. Once you get it, so let's say for example I want to cite this book, Educational Testing and Management. If I want to cite that book, I'll just click on it, then come to this section. Then I can save my document directly to my Zotero app here. Then you can see I have this educational testing and measurement. Then if I want to cite it, I'll go back to my document because that one has already saved that book in my Zotero. So I'll click on Zotero up here, then click add citation. Once I click on add citation, it will automatically pop up. And this is the book I'm looking for. I'll just click on it, then click enter. Once I click enter, you find out that this citation has come here, but this is in a APA format. So I will just go ahead, then click on document preferences. Then here I can get the citations that I want to use. So let's say in my case, I want to use MLA. So I'll look for MLA. Then where is it? MLA. This is it. I have the 8th edition. I have the 9th edition. So let's say, for example, I click on this 9th edition based on the specification. Then I click OK. Then immediately this one will change into MLA. So that is the MLA citation, the 9th edition using Zotero. I've shown you this shortcut using Zotero app because let's say, for example, we want to do it manually. You just click on preferences here. Then you can go ahead and change the styles that you want. So here you can pick this one, MLA format. Then go ahead and start uh, uh, typing in the names and add the sources and the authors, the years, the city, the publisher. That one will be done manually, but this using Zotero is just automatic. And once you add your citation to your paper or thesis, it will automatically appear down here in the references section. So if it has not appeared down here, you will go ahead and click on what we call add bibliography, this one. You just click on it, then Zotero will automatically update your citations down here. So if it's not there, it will add. If you want to make sure that you refresh your Word to make sure it's down here, it will add there. Then if you want to change your citation to maybe MLA the 6th edition, you find out that maybe you're confused when you're doing your citation, just click on document preferences, go back here, click on that, then click OK. Once you click OK, it will change immediately in this section. You see, it has given me a kind of superscript. Then down here in the references, it will also update automatically. So you find out that this one will also change to give you another, the way the format is supposed to look like. So that is how you can cite your documents in MLA using Zotero. And If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, tools, and let me know in the comments if you want other citation techniques that you want to use or citation styles that you want to use to cite your paper. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.